Hello Dragons, this is Sam.
And this is Carly.
Enjoy the video.
We begin by building the support frame, which gives you something to screw down into from the roof. We're using 2x2 pine and cutting with a miter saw. We chose to make each cut all the same length. Measure so that each piece will fit with one end staggered. Always compare the cuts on the frame so that you know that it fits and can make adjustments if needed. Too tight would be bad, a little too big is just fine. To connect each piece, work with 2 edges at a time. Align them on the fan frame and then clamp them together. We use pocket hole screws. Now we're on to making the hole. First, we used the fan frame to mark the perfect position. Having a flat see-through roof made this really easy. We traced the inside of the frame, then drilled pilot holes on the outside of each corner. Again, we wanted to aim for a little too big versus a little too small. Next, tape a garbage bag up to catch the dust, or use a space bag. Now on the roof, use a straight edge to connect the dots. Measure, measure, measure. To cut the roof, we used a jigsaw with a very fine-toothed metal cutting blade. It worked great for our fiberglass roof. It cut straight, smooth, and no chipping. Bonus points if you dual-wield a vacuum. To keep the jigsaw foot from scuffing your paint, put some masking tape around the edges. Pro tip, halfway through, tape from the inside so that it doesn't fall off and rip your trash bag off when you do your final cut. It fits! Now it's time to mount our fan. Clamp the support frame and the fan frame in place and drill all the holes. Before unclamping, mark both pieces so that you remember which direction they face to ensure holes line up again. Now unclamp everything, vacuum, and clean the roof and frame surface with alcohol. Now we can play with butyl tape. Apply it to the bottom surface of the frame. It's stretchy, so be mindful, but can be shaped like putty if you need to fill in gaps. If your roof has ridges, you can use a specific roof adapter for your vehicle. We've also seen people use extra butyl tape. Now we glue the inside support frame to the ceiling with construction adhesive and place fan frame from above. Clamp everything together. Remember that the metal clips on the fan frame should face side to side of the vehicle. And now the satisfying process of screwing it all together. Unclamp and Sika everywhere. We use Sikaflex 715. You can also use Dicor or another self-leveling sealant. Time to mount the fan. Adjust metal clips upward so that the screw holes are aligned and insert the fan. Screw both sides of the fan into the frame and you're ready to fly.
Satisfying indeed.